Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Mudassar Ali. We are going to unlock a Huawei modem with model number Tishknet E5577s-932. This is my one more client online and he wanted to unlock online. He contacted us. Now we are going to unlock his device. Now we will detect our device on DC unlocker and run command flash mode. Now our device has gone to flash mode. Now we will wait for the file to be flashed. It will take some time. Now the software is flashing in our device. During this time you have to be very careful. You don't move the data cable of your device. You don't turn off the computer. You don't touch anything of the computer. Yes friends, our device has been flashed now. As soon as the flash is complete, our device is restarting now. After restarting, the page that opens now, we will see if our SIM card is working or not. Congratulations friends, now you can see that our device is completely unlocked and the SIM card of other network is working in our device. Now this device can work worldwide. Friends, if you also want to unlock your device at home, you can contact us. We have small charges for this work and provide this service worldwide, and we unlock many devices around the world online in the same way. If you want to do anything, you can do it with us. Friends, if you like our video, then like our video and subscribe our channel to watch more such videos. Stay connected with us. Thank you very much for watching the video. See you again while making a video on another device. Until then, goodbye.